Okay.
Okay, sorry, technical difficulty there. If you're watching live, we're back.
We're back. Here
We're
we are.
still-
We're still in the backyard.
Yep, and we're still at Morning Glory.
Yes, we're still at Morning
One
Glory.
thing we also want to point out is this house has vinyl siding, it's brick foundation, probably over the cinder block. Beautiful yard though. And I love the privacy that this gives you because you've got a good amount of established trees around the perimeter.
Yes.
Very nice.
Okay, so we're going to go back in and finish our main level. Come on in. I got the door behind you.
This home really gives you a nice circular flow. As Erica comes around this way, you'll see that this family room just kind of walks you right back into the foyer area. And then, of course, dining, kitchen, and back to family room. So really nice circular flow. And the master suite is on this level. So you can see
Yes.
it's got hardwood floors.
We've got hardwood in the master. We
Little
still
bay.
again have a bump out bay. You can make it a little sitting area. You can do, you know, multiple things over here if you wanted.
Very nice space and very generous. I mean, you could do a king size. This is not a king size bed. This is probably a
Queen.
queen. So you could do king size and still get 2 side tables and a couple other pieces in here. So very, very
Right.
master.
Okay, and then in our master bath, we do have a jetted tub with a separate shower. Again, a really pretty tile floor here. You've got the double vanity, and then you've got this great walk-in closet space. Oh, and I found the little puppy's squeaky toy. We have a nice sweet doggy that lives here. So you've got a great walk-in closet space.
Like the tile around the tub that's really pretty in the glass block window for privacy.
Yes.
It's really nice. So coming out of the master suite, we come right back out into the family room. And I think we're ready for upstairs.
Yes.
Okay.
I think we're going to take you up.
This takes you right back to the foyer, front door. Hey, Francesca again. And if you'll notice, Erica, if you'll just take a closer look at this flooring, this is the brand new carpet. It was put in last May, and no one has lived on this carpet since it was installed. So,
That's correct.
so brand new carpet.
All brand new carpet. And of course, all the brand new paint throughout the
Looks
home.
beautiful up here. This is such a spacious second floor.
So if you have teenagers, as you come up on this landing, you can see we have a massive little bonus area here. The seller had teenagers, and they're no longer teenagers anymore. So this was a great hangout for them. You can put like an L-shaped couch here. You could have all this space back here. If you had like ping pong, foosball, whatever, you could do that here. And then
Yeah, and then just off this bonus area, you've got one of the first additional bedrooms right here at the top of the stairs to your right. So this is really large. We don't have dimensions, but it's spacious. And then a nice walk-in closet.
I would say this room's easy 12 by 14. Maybe even a little bigger.
Yeah.
Maybe even a little larger.
Yeah, it's a good size
But
bedroom.
it's got the neutral colors. It's got, you know, good lighting from the
New
windows.
ceiling fan.
Yes, and as you can see, like Rachel mentioned earlier, the central vac throughout the home. So that's not the only bedroom up here. We've got more rooms.
Yes, we've got 2 more bedrooms. So 3 total bedrooms up here with this open bonus area. You've got a full bath on this second level. It's a very roomy full bath. 2 sinks, lots of counter space, and a shower tub combo. Nice tile flooring, gray paint on the walls, so ready to go.
And Erica, look at this little nook, because this is a cute little nook here. So you could put a study desk or something right here for kids to be able to do homework. We're doing a lot of in-school, homeschool stuff. So this would be a great little quiet homework area.
And this house has a ton of storage. So both of these doors lead you to hall closets with tile flooring. So you've got a walk-in closet here, and if you'll pan up, Erica, we've got an attic access there above, and then this is just your heating air unit, inside unit there. And then right behind you is another hall closet, smaller walk-in, but just lots of space for storage.
Yeah, so if you need storage in the garage, you've got storage up here as well. And all the closets are really good size, I feel. So this is another bedroom up here. So this would be bedroom number 2. You can tell that it's got really good space. It's not quite as large as the first bedroom we just showed you, but it's still a really good size. And then, as you can see, the new carpet's rolled up in here, leftovers, but it's got a walk-in closet.
And I see that Kathy's watching. Hey, Kathy. Hey, Nicole.
Hi. Thank you for
Yes,
watching.
thank you so much. Bring us the buyer. So this is the third additional bedroom. Again, all of these rooms, there's not one room up here that's tiny.
That's tiny,
Yeah, sometimes
no.
when you get, you know, multiple bedrooms on an upper floor, sometimes you get that smaller
Right.
bedroom. But this home, all
You
the
have-
bedrooms are
yes,
nicely sized.
Full-size bed up here. Still have plenty of room for other furniture
Yeah.
in each one of
And,
these rooms.
and this is not a house that you've got to come in and paint. The paint looks really good on the walls, so
It's
this-
pretty much turnkey made
it
and
really
ready.
is. Again,
It's made
newer
and ready.
ceiling fans in here. Have very nice carpet, looks great.
Let me get this light behind you, Erin.
Flats as we go down. You've also got 2 units. Is that right, Wendy? 2
We have
HVAC
2 units, so one
You've
for
got
up and
thermostat
one for
right
down.
here.
And that's one thing about the central heat and air units. They have been maintained every single year. So he has kept them all maintained, and so you have no worries of not having maintenance on those as well.
Exactly. So we'll head back downstairs, but you can see again, upstairs, we've got, again, this bonus room, open bonus area, and 3 additional bedrooms, plus a full bathroom upstairs.
A lot of really good useful space.
Yeah, love this upstairs.
Hi, Luann.
Hey, Luann.
Hi, Luann. Thank you for watching.
So as we come back downstairs, we come right back into the foyer. And just to recap on the details of this house, we're at 300 Morning Glory over in Ringgold. in
Yes,
Callaway
right off
Farms.
of 41.
Yes, beautiful neighborhood, big lots in here. So if you want a subdivision, but you don't want to be on top of your neighbor, these are all of these are probably at least half-acre larger lots
Yes,
out here
yes.
at Callaway Farms. The home is a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home, master on the main. Most all
Laundry
of
on the
yeah,
main.
laundry on the main, 2-car garage on the main, and then all of your flooring on your main level is hard
Solid
floor.
surface
Yeah,
of
you've got
some sort.
tile or hardwood and just carpet up the stairs, and it's brand new. And then of course up on the second level,
Right.
wonderful level lot that's about 3/4 of an acre. You've got a huge screened-in porch, open deck, and then just a little lower patio space. Nice covered front porch, level driveway.
Beautiful fireplace.
Yes, gas logs,
Love the fireplace.
and very updated kitchen. Yeah.
And it's a very friendly neighborhood. I mean, there's a lot of people out walking dogs. There's a lot of children that live in here. So if that's something that you like, we have a neighbor. Looks like he's walking up
Yeah.
this way.
So are we ready for
we're
our
ready for
drawing?
our drawing.
Okay.
Jessica, are we ready for our drawing?
I believe so.
Okay,
Okay.
fantastic.
What do we have?
Alright, well we have a good amount of people who have
Awesome.
watched with us.
Okay.
A lot of people are liking what they're seeing.
Okay.
We have a visitor.
Hi. It's our visitor.
I think we have a puppy date. A play day puppy date.
The Odyssey's front left tire is really low. I've got
Oh, okay. We'll continue. So,
But yeah, we had a good amount of people watching with us. We had a couple of shares, a lot of comments. So yeah.
okay. So how many people here? So, okay, so for our drawing, she said we've got a lot of shares and comments. So how do you want to go about this drawing? I
Well,
don't have glasses
What
on.
let's see, we probably need to, do we have somebody that just has the most entries?
Okay, so this person has the most entries.
Yes.
Okay,
So it looks like Luann.
Luann.
Luann Staub.
Okay, awesome.
Yes. So thanks, Luann, and thanks to everybody else who watched. We had lots of
So-
people watching. We appreciate the comments.
We got Patrick. Thank you, Patrick. We've got Scott Geringer. We've got Billy Temple, Sharon Chapman, Michael Garrett. Hey, Michael. Thank you for watching. Kathy and Nicole. We
Yes.
spoke with them. And then, of course, our
Oh,
wonderful,
sweet
great
Katie.
Katie White. Thank you, Katie.
Michigan.
Yes, Katie's from Michigan.
So,
we love Katie.
Yeah, so again, Luann, you're going to win a $30 dinner delivered gift card in addition to 2 $5 Starbucks gift cards. So we'll get that out to you. And at the end of all of this, we'll do our donation. We'll run by food
We'll
bank.
be chatting
Yeah,
the food
yeah,
bank
we'll do that.
in your honor.
Absolutely. So I think we've
We
Hit
finished
Omaha.
up here, so
Yep.
listen, stay tuned, do not run away, because we are going to drive to Ottawa, and we will be at the next house
We're
here
gonna be in,
hopefully.
yes, hopefully in about 30 minutes, but we're gonna
Maybe
start
30
in
minutes.
Providence Point.
Yes.
We're gonna be at 8400 Dakota Sky, and then we'll head over to a house on
83,
Skybrook.
86 Skybrook. So we have 2 homes in that subdivision. It is also a gray subdivision out in the Ottawa area.
Yes.
And you'll love those, so stay tuned.
Yes, and then we'll be going over to another Pratt community just off of Providence. We're gonna be looking at a house on River Birch Loop. So if you're looking for a 3-car garage and a lot of square footage, stay tuned, okay? Thanks
Thank
everyone.
you.